Hello there guys, and welcome to another episode of Flytying with Onymphs. So a follower of mine on Instagram by the name of Fly and Spin, check out his Instagram, he's a great guy, suggested that I should make a tutorial of this fly. I mean, it's not that different from the CDC crane fly tutorial I made, other than the colors, but here we go. So we are starting off with a size 14 or 16 dry fly hook and 10 color thread. So after we finish tying the base, we add the eyes. The eyes are made out of an old broom's bristles, melted on both ends with a lighter. Making sure to fix it in the center. There, it's all centered and secured in place. Then I'm using a sharpie to paint the head and the rest of the body black. So I can almost hear you saying that we could be using a black thread, but if we used black in the first place, then we would have to add another lighter color thread later to shape the segmentation of the abdomen. Fun fact is that the plumose antennae of midges contains the Johnston's organ that is responsible for detecting movement and sound. For us fly fishers, it's a great opportunity to add some buoyant CDC feathers to our tiny midge flies. Threading it back, it is going to make us a great thorax. So then we are adding the black hair dubbing. And then for the legs we are tying in some black deer hair. After securing the legs, we clean up the abdomen area. Tying those 3 deer hair ends down. And painting the threads black again. Now we pull the CDC back to make the thorax. Then we add some more black hair dubbing. It is going to make a great foundation for the wings. The wings are made with Mallard flanks, just adding some to imitate the wings. Then adding some more hair dubbing to hide the cut end of the wings. And then for shaping the abdomen, we are going to add a lot more of the black hair dubbing. And now we are making the segmentation with the thread. See, if we had used black thread, we now would have to add another color, and that could make the abdomen too thick. whip finishing, and then cleaning up the fly. So that is your winter CDC Black Midge dry fly. It's a great fly, not just in the winter, but throughout the whole year. It floats great on its own, but make sure to use some floatant from time to time. Anyways, thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe. Bye!